You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, this is one of those confusing words that has different pronunciations that are correct in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this, stay tuned. So you have the British English pronunciation and American English. In the UK and other English-speaking countries, the pronunciation is usually as monastery. Mo-na-stry, all right? You skip the st syllable. Some may say monastery, but it's more monastery. Stress on the first syllable. Now, the Americans say it as monastery, all right? It's one of those words, you have documentary, voluntary, and many other words that are like this. The British skip the last syllable or the penultimate syllable and say stry at the end, while the Americans say stary. So monastery in British English or monastery in American English. It's easy. Can you hear the difference? And now you know. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.